Hi West Middleton friends, it's Mrs. King and I'm outside today with my dog Quincy. That's Quincy. She's a chocolate lab and she's 10 years old, and we're outside. I'm sitting in a hammock and I'm going to read a story to Quincy, and I thought maybe you'd like to listen too. The book is called 3 Stories You Can Read to Your Dog. So she's sitting, she's ready to listen. Let's read the first story. The first story is called The Burglar. One day, you were taking a nap. There was nothing else to do. All at once you heard thump, 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 thump. Wow, you said to yourself, a burglar! A burglar is knocking at the door. You ran to the door. Bark, you said. Bark, 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 bark. Was the burglar still there? The door was big and thick. You could not see what was on the other side. Maybe the burglar was still there. Bark, 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 you said. Bark, 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 bark. Look, your friend was coming to help. Your friend was wearing big boots. Thump, thump, thump went the boots. You silly dog, said your friend. Stop barking. No one is there. Look, I will show you. Your friend opened the door. The burglar was gone. You scared him away. What a big, scary dog I am, you said to yourself. What a big, scary, brave dog. All of a sudden, Quincy, you felt very tired. It's hard work being a brave dog. You curled up on your bed and you went to sleep. The end. That was the first story in this book. There are 2 more stories. Maybe on another day I can share a story with you again. Have a great day. Get outside if the sun is out. It's beautiful out here. Bye.